Discover Google Gemini AI. 10 amazing features you should know. Introduction. Google Gemini AI is a groundbreaking tool designed to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Whether you're curious about AI or looking for ways to enhance your work, Gemini is packed with powerful features that make it stand out. Here's a look at 10 incredible things Gemini AI can do. 10 amazing features of Google Gemini AI. 1. Natural language understanding. Gemini AI understands and responds to everyday language, handling both simple and complex queries with ease. 2. Multimodal capabilities. It processes and generates text, code, images, and even audio, making it a versatile tool for multiple creative tasks. 3. Advanced problem solving. Gemini can analyze complex problems and provide step-by-step solutions, making it perfect for troubleshooting and critical thinking. 4. Contextual awareness. It remembers the context of conversations, allowing for smoother, more natural interactions over long exchanges. 5. Learning and adaptation. Gemini improves with each interaction, learning from your preferences to provide more personalized and relevant responses over time. 6. Creative assistance. Whether you're writing, coding, designing, or brainstorming, Gemini AI assists in generating fresh, creative ideas and content. 7. Multilingual translation. It supports multiple languages, offering seamless translations and helping users communicate across language barriers. 8. Summarization. Gemini can quickly summarize lengthy documents, articles, or videos, saving you time and effort when processing information. 9. Code generation. For developers, Gemini provides help by writing or debugging code, offering a valuable resource for coding projects of all levels. 10. Ethical and responsible AI. While powerful, Gemini is designed with ethical considerations in mind, promoting responsible use and minimizing bias in its responses. Conclusion. Google Gemini AI is a cutting-edge tool that can understand, create, and assist in ways that make your daily tasks easier and more efficient. With its wide range of features, from natural language processing to multimodal creativity, it's perfect for anyone looking to explore the future of AI. Try it out and see how it can enhance your work and creativity today. If you found these features exciting, make sure to subscribe to Carry Animation for more useful and informative videos. Stay ahead with the latest tech updates and tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching.